Hi, welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Southside Fizz. The Southside Fizz is thought to be created around 1890 at the Southside Sportsman Club in Long Island, New York. It's essentially a mint Collins. It's a combination of two cocktails, the Southside and the Fizz. Traditionally, a Fizz is served with no ice, but today I'm going to serve it long, just because that's how I prefer to drink it. So start with 60 milliliters, or 2 ounces of your preferred gin. I'm just using a London Dry Tanqueray, followed by 22.5 mils, or 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And I'm incorporating the mint component with the sugar. So this is a mint syrup I made recently in the Essential Syrups 101 guide, which I'll link to here. So 22.5 mils, or 3/4 of an ounce. So the mint has been strained out of this bottle. I don't know if you can see it, it's a little bit discolored, a little bit greenish maybe. I strained the mint out because otherwise the mint does brown and it doesn't look very good, but it is a mint syrup. And shake this cocktail before straining it over fresh ice. So if you prefer, you can just use a plain simple syrup and then add mint into your shaker if you've got fresh mint lying around. Otherwise, I made the mint syrup, so it kind of makes sense just to use that. Top it up with soda and garnish with a mint sprig. So there you have the Southside Fizz. Cheers. So already using fresh mint, so you get those aromatics on the nose, really strong, and it just gives you an example of what's to come. Exactly what it is. It's a mint Collins. You get those mint flavors, the botanicals from the gin. It's a little bit dry. It's tasty, it's refreshing. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.